Today I'm going to be doing some more of my Sephora perfume sampler breakdown videos. It's been a little bit since I've done these videos, but I got a request to bring them back, so I decided I would do that. So I'm going to break down some of Sephora's most popular perfume voucher gift sets that you can purchase, and you get to try a whole bunch of different perfumes, and each set comes with a voucher for one of the full-size versions from that particular box, and you can get that for free. I think that these perfume samplers are really great gifts to give to people if you don't really know what they like, and since perfume can be such a super personal thing, I think it's just the perfect thing to give, because then you can get to try all of these and choose which one's your favorite and get a free full-size one. And in this video I will let you guys know which one is going to be the highest value, lowest value, largest size, and smallest size. So you can choose whatever fragrance you like, but if you want to get the one that is going to be the best deal, then I will definitely have those included in this video. So the one I'm going to be reviewing today is called the Perfume Sampler 2018 Launches. So as the name would suggest, these are all brand new perfumes that Sephora is carrying. So this is what it looks like in case you were wondering. The price of this kit is $65, and there are 8 different perfume samples in this set that you get to choose from. And out of all 8 of these fragrances, every single one of them in this set is going to be a higher value perfume. So since this set is $65, any perfume that you can redeem for that is $65 or over is obviously a higher value. So the first perfume in this set is the Clean Reserve Acqua Neroli Eau de Parfum Spray. This one you can redeem for the 3.4 ounce size, and the value of this one is $95. And this is also the largest one that you can redeem for in this set. The next fragrance is the Dolce & Gabbana Dolce Garden Eau de Parfum Spray. This one you can redeem for the 1 ounce size, and the value of this one is $76. This one is also a 4-way tie for the smallest size, so there are 3 other colognes in this one that is only 1 ounce. Next is the Nest Wisteria Blue Eau de Parfum. This one you can redeem for the 1.7 ounce, and the value of this one is $74, a higher value. Next is the Prada Candy Sugar Pop Eau de Parfum. This one again is a 1 ounce that you can redeem for, and the value of this one is $72. And again, this one ties for smallest size. Next is the Tom Ford Eau de Soleil Blanc Eau de Toilette. This one is for the 1.7 ounce, and this one retails for $125, which makes it the highest fragrance in this set. So since the set is $65 and the cologne itself is $125, that is like a $60-ish saving that you otherwise wouldn't get on perfume. Next is the Giorgio Armani Sea Passion Eau de Parfum. This is for the 1 ounce, and the value of this one is $68. So this one is the lowest value in the set and also ties for the smallest size. Next is the Marc Jacobs Daisy Love Eau de Toilette. This is for the 1.7 ounce, and the value of this one is $84, which again is tied for the smallest size. And finally is the Versace Dylan Bleu Parfum Eau de Parfum. This is for the 1 ounce, and the value of this one is $72, and again it ties for the smallest size. So again, I always recommend you to just try this out and pick your favorite fragrance, but if you do want to know which one is going to be the highest value, lowest value, and things like that, here is a chart that includes all of that information just so you can make the best decision. But I hope this video helps you make your decision if you're between some. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. Until my next video, I will talk to you guys later.